In this lesson, or for homework, we're going to go over dividing with indices. And so a basic example here is if we've got a to the power of 6 divided by a to the power of 3, well then what we do is we look at the difference between the two indices, because we know the rule is that the answer there is a to the power of 6 minus 3, which equals a cubed. But sometimes you get situations where the indices are around the other way, so you might have a to the power of 3 over a to the power of 6, and you're thinking, well, that equals a to the negative 3, which is technically correct, but we like to have situations where we have positive indices. So if you get a to the power of 3 over a to the power of 6, what you need to do is think, what is the difference between those two indices? And if we can see here the difference is 3, that's fine. Is it the numerator or the denominator where it's larger? And what we do is we put it on the side, or the top of the bottom, as to where the larger number is. So in this case here we would have a to the 3 on the bottom, but we can't have anything, we can't have 0 on the top because that's an invalid fraction, so we put 1 up the top. Another example we might have, and I'll show you on the next, is that sometimes we have numbers. So you might have, say, I don't know, 4a to the power of 3 over 6a to the power of 1. That'll do. So what we need to do first of all here is we need to separate them up into like terms. So what does 4 over 6 simplify to? Well, that simplifies to 2 over 3. And then we look at the next like term, which in this case is the a, and we look at the difference between the two indices, and we find that it's 2, and that the larger of the like terms is on top of the fraction, so we put that on top of the fraction. Right, for your homework, I'm going to put 3 questions on the next page. I'd like you to do them. So the 3 questions I've got you to do, we'll do a simple one first, x to the power of 6 over x to the power of 2. You do that one for me. The second one we'll do will be 3y to the power of 4 over y to the power of 8. And the third question I want you to do is 15x squared y4 z12 over 25x to the power of 4 y to the power of 6 z to the power of 3. I'd like you to do those questions for homework. Thank you.